Welcome to the kitchen. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do a grilled cheese with tomato. Hope you enjoy. Okay, people. So what you want to do, get your cheese. I'm using cheddar. I'll recommend cheddar. Put it on your bread. I'm using whole wheat. I'll recommend whole wheat. Bread, cheese. Watch closely. Gets a little difficult here. Tomato. Cheese. Do you see that? Bread, cheese, tomato, cheese. Bread. Okay? That's the sandwich for you. Now, you gotta get some prep work in here. To get it ready to fry, you're gonna want to put some butter on top. Be generous, okay? We're not on a diet here. Get a good amount of butter on top. Now here's the thing. This top part is going to be your bottom when you flip it over into the pan. Keep that in mind. We're only going to butter the top right now. We're going to flip it over in the pan, and then we'll butter the new top once we get to the pan. I'll show you guys that soon. Once you got your butter on there, the only other thing you guys need is a little dash of cinnamon. Just a dash. Don't overpower it. Just a dash. Okay, there you go. That's the beginnings of the sandwich. Meet me over the stovetop. I'll show you how to cook it up. See you soon. Okay, we're back at the stovetop. As always, get a little Pam on here just to lube things up. Pam. Okay. Next, you want to move with your pre-assembled sandwich. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Remember, this is the top, but it's really the bottom. Also, I like to preheat the pan low to medium so we can get some sizzle on there. You might be able to hear it if you're lucky. That's what you're looking for. Once you put it on there, get it back down to medium. Okay? Good. Next step, you're going to want to butter your new top. Okay? So grab some butter once again. Don't be shy. This takes a little bit of skill, but I have faith in you guys. And you're just going to want to butter it on up. Next, sprinkle of cinnamon. Okay? Flip over a couple times, let it cook on each side initially for about 2 minutes, and then flip it over until the cheese melted. I'll meet you guys back here once this baby's done. Okay, here we are. As you can see, perfectly golden and brown. What can I say? I'm pretty good at what I do. Not a hard recipe. You guys should be able to do it. If you can boil eggs, you can probably do this. Well, yeah, that's about it. Thanks again for coming today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Have a great night.